Hello everyone, welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. Today let's talk about Epsom salt and its uses. Chemically, Epsom salt is magnesium sulfate. It is very useful to enhance flowering in plants and increases the foliage. This is because magnesium is an important element in chlorophyll, that is the green color in plants. Here I have highlighted some plants which need Epsom salt. Epsom salt is very crystalline and highly soluble in water. It is often sprayed on the foliage of leaves or supplied directly to the roots of the plants. Add 1 tablespoon to 5 liters of water. You can use this once every month in the same proportions whenever required. Here are some of my plants which need the Epsom salt. I will directly supply it to the roots. Optionally, if you have a water sprayer, you can spray this on the foliage also.